Dear audience, dear audience, now it is the time to listen to the speaker of MEF Coaching Center. As the first speaker, I would like to call Mr. Rashid. Please come and deliver speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, honorable guests, respected teachers, and dear all, I am going to speak about Republic Day. First of all, I would like to say thank you because you have given me such a great opportunity to speak some words on Republic Day. Dear audience, today we all are here 72nd Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th of January, as the Constitution of India came into effect on this day. We are regularly celebrating Republic Day of India since 1950. As on 26th of January in 1950, Indian Constitution came into effect. Dear audience, India is a democratic country where the public is authorized to elect its leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India. Since we got independence from British rule in 1947, our country has developed a lot and counting among the powerful countries. But some drawbacks have also arisen, such as inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, etc. Dear audience, we need to take a place today for solving such problems in society to make our country the best country in the world. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you.